In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos in Substack posts in the easiest way possible. Whether you want to share video content with your subscribers or simply enhance your post with multimedia, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new post. Click on the New Post button to get started. It's usually located at the top of your screen, making it quick and easy to find. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear with different post types. Select Text Post from the options. This is where you'll be able to add your video link later in the process. Now that we have our text post ready, let's focus on crafting a captivating title. Enter a title that catches the eye and gives your readers a glimpse of what to expect from your post. After that, you'll have the option to add a subtitle. Though optional, this part can provide additional context or intrigue to draw in more readers, so it's worthwhile to spend a little time crafting this as well. The next step is embedding the video. This is where the magic happens. To do this, simply paste the link of your video directly into the body of your text post. You might be wondering how this works. Well, Substack supports embedding directly by recognizing the video link and adjusting the content accordingly. Make sure the link is properly formatted and from a supported platform to ensure smooth embedding. With your video link in place, click Continue. This step takes you to the settings where you can customize who gets to see your post. You'll see options for visibility settings next. Decide whether you want your post to be seen by everyone or if it should be exclusive to paid subscribers. This choice could depend on whether your video content is more general or contains exclusive material intended for a specific audience. Following this, you have the chance to manage comments. Decide if you'd like to allow comments from everyone or no one at all. If engaging with your audience is important to you, enabling comments can be a great way to spark conversation and gain feedback. We're almost done, but let's not forget tagging. Adding tags to your post helps in categorization and makes it easier for your audience to find related content. Choose tags that are relevant to the video and to the overall theme of your post. If you're not ready to publish immediately, take advantage of the scheduling feature. This allows you to plan when your post will go live, which can be incredibly useful for timing your content with audience activity. Finally, when you're ready, click on Send to Everyone Now to publish your post with the embedded video. With that click, your content is shared with the world, or at least your subscribers. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to easily embed videos into your Substack posts, enriching your content and enhancing engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.